Hey everyone, Mike Power here. Welcome back to the Type S Auto Garage, and today we're showing you how to change your high and low beam bulbs with our LED bulb replacements on your 2017 Toyota Camry. For the high beams on the Toyota Camry, we're going to be using our 9005 LED bulb replacement. Now before installing it on your car, you want to make sure you have the right mounting ring already installed on the light. If you're unsure of how to check if you have the right mounting ring, go ahead and watch the video that we have linked below. Now that we have our bulbs ready to go, let's go ahead and install them on the car. So now we're on the passenger side headlight and we are replacing the high beam. So first thing we're going to do is unplug the harness. And once we get that unplugged, we're going to go ahead and spin the bulb to get it to unlock. Then we have it pulled out. Go ahead and come in with our bulb replacement. Gonna line up the mounting ring. Once you feel it go in, give it a little bit of a push and a twist. Now that's installed, we're gonna take the harness that we unplugged and plug it right back in to our bulb replacement. And that's the high beam bulb replacement on the passenger side. Now for the passenger side low beam bulb, same thing. Gonna unplug the harness. Might need two hands. Just get unplugged. Once again, twisting it and pulling it out. Then we bring in our bulb replacement. Gotta line up the mounting ring. Give it a push and a twist at the same time. And we're just gonna go ahead and plug in our harness. And that's it for the passenger side headlight. Now for the driver side, it's the same exact process that you just saw me do, but the car's battery is behind the headlight. It's just gonna be a little bit of a tighter space. Our high beam bulb is going to be right here, and then our low beam bulb is going to be right here on the outside. So now let's say you installed your bulb replacements and the LED light is not coming on. There's one trick that will help you with that. This little plug right here, you're gonna flip it 180 degrees and plug it back in, and then you should have no problems. So that's a wrap on the bulb replacement for the 2017 Toyota Camry. We hope that this video helped you guys install these bulbs on your own vehicle. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you on the next one.